How to play Hollow Knight on your Android device. Now, Hollow Knight is actually a specific game in which you could actually play it on PC without any problems. However, if you're going to be playing it via your mobile phone, specifically your Android device, there are some technical steps for you to be able to successfully play the game first. Now, there are things that you can try to do, such as directly download the game from Steam and then link your Steam account from PC to your mobile device and then play the game. The other thing that you can do is just to directly download the Hollow Knight APK directly from your phone. Just simply use your phone's browser and then just type in hollowknight.apk.com. Now, the other thing that you can do is to choose any reliable emulator and then just download Hollow Knight from there. So those are the things that you can try to do for you to be able to play Hollow Knight on Android.